Hey guys, you're watching That Dink Cat here with another vacuum video. One of my subscriber or viewers wanted me to do had a request. They wanted me to do a video on my wind tunnel, self-propelled. But I thought I might as well just do a video of all of these. So here's a video on my hoovers. This is not really organized very well, but anyhow, I won't go into detail with the other ones, but let's count them. Number one is the Decade 80, the Hoover Sprint Quickback, the Hoover Heavy Duty Power Drive with and Quadriflex Agitator, the Hoover Widepath, which I have not seen very many of these. It needs a paper filter in there. I've not seen very many of this style of the bagless. Somebody gave me that a long time ago. Yes, there we go. And they're just right. Okay, there's the Hoover bagless soft guard. The Hoover Wind Tunnel Max Multicyclonic. Hoover Elite. The Hoover Convertible. Now we're coming back over here. Got the Hoover Breathe Easy. There's a lot of words on this one. Hoover Power Drive, self-efficient, self-propelled, breathe easy, direct air system, full-size bag, posture perfect handle. Then we got the Hoover Supreme with wind tunnel technology. I believe this is my only Hoover. It says Supreme on it. It's got the dirt finder light, which I just found out that the sensor is right there. I'm going to stick my finger in there and wipe it clean. And now, it might be a little more accurate. Okay. Found this a long time ago. Landscaping, it just had been sitting beside a dumpster, and the garbage people didn't take it. So I thought, what the hell, I'll take it. And I think I rained on it. This is a long time when I got it, but yeah. I know it's filthy. I need to clean it. I just got it out of my little storage shed to bring it up here. I thought about taking this one apart. I don't know. This one's in good shape. It just needs that stupid filter. Anyhow. Let's check out the dates, the numbers on these. This one says use 6/3/11/93 0, so obviously from 93. I think. And it says serial number 06996. The Hoover Wind Tunnel. This one says U5443900. So number 059 90013566606. So May of '99. I don't know. And my mom had one like this, that color, a long time ago. That's what she traded our first Kenmore on. And I remember it being so loud, and I think it needed more pre-motor filters, and there was times where the bag didn't get put on right, and you know how it goes. And it just got sounded worse and worse and worse. I don't know where it is. It might have gotten thrown away. Now this one I got, actually, we were supposed to fix it for somebody, but we didn't, and they got another one anyway. And I'm sure she got something small, like a shark or something. She'll probably vacuum her house or something. Probably not the... Anyway. This one, yeah, the power drive adds some weight. Model U6425-900, serial number 90000649957. Okay, now we're going to the two vacuums I just picked up. I was gonna go to Philomath and get this one. She said it stopped working very good, and so I thought, oh, it's probably a clog. No, actually, it just needed a belt. They had never replaced the belt. It actually, usually when the belt goes out, you like catch something like a sock, or I don't know. You catch something like a boot, shoelace, and then the belt will just snap, or like a rug. And in this case, they never caught on anything. It was just so worn out it wouldn't spin the rush roll. So let's put some the whole thing. Put some dust down and try it out. That's a paper clip too. Yeah, it's not the healthiest sounding. The bearings are shot or getting dry. As you can see, a dog had chewed up the hose. I tried taking a hose off another Eureka out back, but what was the problem? Oh, it was too collapsed down here. So the suction just sucked it tight. So now it's just a hat for the Eureka. And it has one of these true HEPA filters, which I thought would be cool until I checked it out, and it was just really deteriorated, and it was just really hot. It was pushing a lot of air in there, and the filter was all worn out, so I just ripped it out and put a bounce sheet in there and whatever. So now I got this one that's a 15-inch. It's got nice bristles. Let's turn on the light. There we go. I like how the suction is towards the underside and the center instead of all the way to the one side and the top, which, I don't know, it's just a different way. It's not like it's going to perform any better or worse than another one, but you don't know. It's just a different way. It's got nook and cranny, the hose, this combo brush thing. They also had the bagless version, which every bagless one I turned on like that is always shot. It was that color was that one right there, and I didn't want to spend $10 on that one. So this was $12.50 is half price. No, wait, that was free. This one was $12.50. Oh yeah, and I don't blame the people that had it for not knowing how to fix it, because there's just 2 screws right there, and with most vacuums it's really obvious. Like this one, you can clearly see it sticks out way more. You can just use 2 nickels. You can, yeah, they actually used it. There's chips away on it anyway. But so there's a smart vac. Set that aside. Now I got, and it's not a boss, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bosses, and anyway, on to the next one. This is the Hoover Preferred. I've been looking on YouTube, and I have not seen, I don't think I've seen any like this. This is kind of an unusual, uncommon vacuum. Here's the tag. It said $25 on 8/28/19. Works good condition. No warranty. Blah, blah, blah. You can return it within 7 days and store credit. 30 days. It's kind of funny. This is as is. Whatever. So when I got it, I noticed it had a really loud whistling sound. And I'm like, oh, what the heck? And then so I put filters down here, and I thought that would help it. And it did a little bit, but not. Then I realized, oh shit, the little window that's supposed to show you if the bag's clogged, it goes red. Well, it was broken off. So I just taped it up. And I put a Hoover Type A bag in there because that's what I had. Actually, I bought that at the Restore, and it fits and it works, so whatever. And I also put a bounce sheet in here and another premium motor filter in there. I found it funny that on the tag it said good condition when this filter was completely filthy. And you can see this thing is collected a bunch of filth that was inside there had blown out, so it wasn't really in that great a condition. But I made sure it worked before I purchased it. This is before they put the HEPA filter aside, which is kind of a good thing, because at first you think these HEPA filters are really good. Well, actually, this is the first one right here. And see, this right here is all it was. This little flimsy little spongy thing, which, you know, you can see right through. So it's not much of a filter. How's that HEPA 5-stage microfiltration if the dust just blows right through it? So you gotta like get a sock and bounce and fabric softener and stuff that up as much as you can. Yeah, because it's hilarious. It goes through as a paper bag, but then what doesn't go through the bag blows right out the side. But then with the later model, they got smart, and it has an actual, I was going to say a rubber gasket, but it doesn't. So scratch that. I thought, see, it looks like a better filter, but really, it's not. I mean, that's a pretty thin filter, and it's, you know, it's been there a long time. I wonder if they made better versions since then. But this is an actual filter that could filter things. That's just a sponge. Anyhow, it came with an extra belt, or a worn belt. Care handle, there's a brush, the hoses, the nooks and cranny, one of these guys. Whoa. Picking up white stuff. Here's the service tag. Hoover. This one's actually made in China. Which I think actually, which shouldn't be a surprise, except the black one and this one's made in America. Then I look at this one's China, which is kind of surprising because it's, you know, seemed like an earlier model. Model U5018-900. 12 amp. I don't know what the EPA estimated number means. Bag type Z. Part number. See, it doesn't have a serial number. Anyhow, let's get to the demo. Oh, first, the bristles, they're really long and stiff. Now, test it out. Oh well, have any freaking dust to... There we go. There's something to vacuum up. Sounds like, whoa, I'm still getting stuff from the last one. Has a hose and a hose, and I found a staple. So yeah, it's a different sounding Hoover for sure. Okay, now next is, I want to find, oh, is there dirt in there? No. Just have to bring dirt from downstairs. Next is this wind tunnel. And did I plug it in? No, I didn't. Oh, that's right. There's some right here. Holy shit. That hand mower really sucks shit up. Okay. The wind tunnel. Too much, Captain. Well, I got it, but it looks like a bunch of hair got wrapped around the roller. Alright, next back. Just the Wind Tunnel Supreme. Yeah. So there's the wind tunnel. It actually seemed to do pretty darn good. That one would have done better if I would have set it down lower and didn't put as big of a pile up. What the hell? Whatever. Next tester. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of gritty shit. The Hoover power drive. Breathe easy. Direct air. I just realized this one has like a wind tunnel roller on it. And amazingly, it didn't die from a damn ball bearing his kids like to bring over and shit. Alright, since this is going to a super long video and I'm not doing it again, what the hell? I'm gonna throw in the Hoover Concept 1. Oh, it does not do quick release. What are you doing here? What? What's up? What is up? We're in. It's on the on. What's going on? Oh wow, I just realized these have the same wheels as on that one. Darn, I have to tear it apart again. Lame.